Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you in the market for a new monitor? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the 5 best 32-inch monitors of 2024. Stay tuned to find the perfect display for your setup.
Hey everyone, this is Howard from Oris, and we are back with another unboxing video. Today we'll be checking out the latest Gigabyte 4K monitor, the M32UC. The M32UC is a premium 32-inch monitor featuring our Super Speed VA panel that delivers an ultra-fast response time of 1 millisecond MPRT and 2 milliseconds G2G. This monitor will be able to support 4K gameplay at up to 144Hz refresh and be overclockable to 160Hz with DisplayPort. This is a curved UHD display with 1500R curvature that provides the ultimate immersive gaming experience. Now let's see what's inside the box. The M32UC comes with a V-shaped stand that can be attached to the monitor arm via the hand screw. The arm has height and tail adjustments and can be connected to the monitor by matching up the hooks to the indents on the back of the monitor. And for those of you who prefer to use your own monitor stand, of course, this monitor is Visa mountable as well. Inside, you'll find your warranty card, and there are a few different power cables that support various types of outlets. There's the usual HDMI cable, you have your DisplayPort cable right here, and your USB cable, which is used to enable OSD Sidekick software. Unlike Oris monitors, there is no RGB on the back of Gigabyte monitors. Instead, you get a matte black finish with some edgy design elements. This monitor does support KVM, and you can switch between devices that are connected through the USB Type-C port by hitting this KVM switch back here. There are also 3-watt speakers, 2 of them, that can be found towards the bottom of the monitor as well. The M32UC is going to look and feel great when you're playing your latest AAA titles. This monitor has a beautiful panel featuring 8-bit color, 93% DCI-P3, and 123% sRGB that will bring out the colors in your favorite cutscenes. It also supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, which reduces tearing and stuttering to provide you a more fluid gaming experience. The M32UC also features High Bitrate 3 for DisplayPort to allow for higher bandwidth to get the fastest refresh, full color depth, and HDR at the same time. If you do want to use a PS5 with the M32UC for some 4K gameplay, the built-in HDMI CEC technology allows for a greater level of communication between the devices. When turning on the console, the monitor will turn on simultaneously. Under the monitor, we have a whole suite of outputs. First, we have the earphone jack, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, which will support 144Hz at 4K resolution. Next, we have a singular DisplayPort 1.4, one USB Type-C for power delivery or KVM, one USB 3.2 Type-B upstream port, and 3 USB 3.2 Type-A downstream ports for your mouse and other peripherals. And finally, for users who want to fine-tune their settings, we have the OSD Sidekick software where you can fine-tune settings directly from your PC. You can also enable game assist settings such as black equalizer, picture-in-picture, create crosshairs, and much more from OSD Sidekick. There's also a customizable picture mode setting called Apply Picture Mode where you can change and set different color settings for each different display output that you have. All these features add up to make the M32UC a high-end gaming monitor. For those who really want to test the boundaries of 4K gaming, this monitor is going to be a great mainstay as the last mile of your gaming system. If you're interested in picking one of these up, please be sure to check the link in the description below.
Hi, my name's Ian Vanderwald. I'm a professional photographer and a BenQ monitor ambassador. One of the most important things for me in my workflow is a good quality, colour managed monitor. BenQ have a range of monitors specifically designed with the photographer in mind. On the table here today, I have a 27-inch 2K version and a 32-inch 4K version, both packed with features that will make your life much easier when it comes to reproducing colour accurate imagery. Different outputs require different colour spaces. A cool feature of the new BenQ monitors is the hotkey puck. No longer do you need to delve into software to change the colour space to give you a representation of how the image is going to reproduce. You can now do this simply at the touch of a button on the base of the monitor. In addition to this, the BenQ SW series of monitors have Gamut Duo mode. What Gamut Duo mode does, it allows you to view your images side by side in different colour spaces to see the effect of those colour spaces on the image. Often an optional accessory with other brands of monitors, the BenQ Photographer series of monitors ship with its own shading hood to protect the screen from unwanted light coming from other sources. Also included with these monitors is the software application Palette Master Elements. Palette Master Elements is a hardware calibration software that works with the devices you probably already own, such as the X-Rite i1 display. This enables you to calibrate the hardware in these monitors, as opposed to doing it through software via your computer. The benefit is greater colour, smoother tones, and a signal that's not altered when it leaves the computer. Another great feature that I really love with these monitors is the advanced black and white film mode. I shoot in colour but do a lot of black and white, and what I love about these monitors is at the push of a button I can go through 3 different black and white film sets just to see what it's going to look like before I've even adjusted the image. These are precision monitors employing BenQ's uniformity technology, which ensures colour and brightness accuracy from corner to corner, edge to edge. The inclusion of a USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 cable is fantastic for photographers on the go. You can now connect to a colour managed workflow with one cable, essentially making your colour managed screen a docking station. They also include 2 USB 3 ports and an SD card reader. With all the specs and features we've just discussed, these monitors generally come in under half that of comparably spec'd competitors' monitors. For more information, have a look at the monitors on www.benq.com. When it comes to bang for buck, you can't go past a BenQ monitor.
If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel.